Hey beauties, it's me Seren Leone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I lay my edges using a gel versus a pomade. So follow along with me if you would like to learn how to slick down your edges. If you haven't already subscribed, don't be shy. After you hit that red subscription button, click the bell for notifications so you can be updated when I upload. I'm going to review two products that I've been using for my edges. I've been using Eco Styler Gel as my holy grail, and I just picked up Style Factor's Edge Booster a few days ago in my beauty supply store. Tell me your favorite product for your edges in the comments. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, I am a 4C girl, and if you're like me, you know most products don't last for 4C hair throughout the day. I've just learned to live with that on a day-to-day basis, but on the days where I feel like my edges have to be on fleek, I'll go through the extreme measures of multiple products and a silk scarf overnight. But enough about those problems of the past, let's get into these products. To give them an even shot, I'm going to cleanse my hairline first with oil to add moisture to my hairline, just so I can dry it out with some shampoo right after. After I've washed the oil out and rinsed my hairline with shampoo, I'm ready to style my edges. An alternative is to wipe your hairline with alcohol, but you do not want to skip this step. It prevents your gel from flaking up and or turning white. If you have dirty hair, over time your gel will show that buildup. Okay, so here is that no boo-boo. This is the Edge Booster from Style Factor, a water-based pomade with the strongest hold at 5. Available in many different scents. I picked out strawberry. And here is my OG Eco Styler gel with the olive oil, the only gel I use in my natural hair and my edges. This is the gel and the pomade side by side. I'll tell you some of the basic differences between a gel and a pomade. Just keep watching, but for fun, real quick, pause the video right now and comment which product you think is going to work best in my hair. Getting back to gels, they have more liquid in them, causing the consistency to be very loose. This gel is alcohol free, but most of them are not, and that usually causes your hair to flake. This is a double-sided brush and comb used for edges. It's an update from the old school toothbrush. I'm using the brush to pack on the gel. I'm packing the gel on and smoothing it out with my fingers. So this is what my baby hair is looking like with the gel applied. I'm going to leave that side alone for now, and we can check up on it later and see how my edges are holding up. Now let's get into this Edge Booster pomade. Right away you can tell that the consistency is much thicker than a gel. It's not moving around and jiggling like crazy. And like the gel, this pomade is also water-based. It feels like I'll be able to mold and sculpt my hair with it. It kind of reminds me of jam from back in the day. As I'm gliding on the pomade, I'm noticing that the skin along my hairline is starting to tighten along with my edges, allowing my baby hairs to be molded into a shape. So instead of using the brush side, I'm going to get way more precise and defined with the comb side. So a quick little tip. My suggestion is to do your baby hairs before you apply any makeup. You'll be able to see the gel pick up my makeup as I'm shaping my hairline, and it's just causing buildup. I'm so sorry, I keep saying gel when I mean pomade. So this pomade, it does harden a bit, but my hair is still very movable, and I'm not really smoothing the pomade down with my fingers until I'm sure that's how I want my baby hairs to lay. Okay, so let's check in with the Eco Styler, and I think that the Edge Booster won it for me. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you think Edge Booster did my edges justice. If you like how chill and natural my hair looks with the OG Eco Styler gel, let me know in the comments. But sis, this Edge Booster has my edges laid and slayed. They are shapely and secured. This product isn't greasy, so I really don't see my edges moving for the rest of the day. Eco Styler Gel kind of has my hair in this abstract shape. You know, my baby hairs look very natural, and it looks like I didn't take any time at all to shape them. So with that being said, Style Factor definitely won my vote. It definitely controls your edges, and this is the final look, and this is the side with the Eco Styler. So with that being said, Style Factor definitely came out victorious in this edge control battle. Style Factor's pomade lasts for about 6 hours in my hair, and a little trick I found out for your edges is if they do frizz up, you can take a little bit of water and glide them over the edge booster, and it will work as if you just applied the pomade. So you also can use the same little water trick if your gel starts to turn white on you throughout the day. Just wet it a little bit and it'll slick right on down. So beauties, what are you using on your edges right now? Let's talk about it in the comments. Do you think you'll be trying Style Factor's Edge Booster, or did you try it already and it turned white on you and you're like, sis, no, not gonna try it? Well, you should try my little trick, you know, the water trick, and let me know how it works out for you. In other news, the video is done, so I hope to see you in the next one. If you're already subscribed to my channel and you hit the notification bell, you already know what's good. So if you don't, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I make a new upload. With that being said, have a great day full of brand new memories. See you soon in my next video.